The next thing we're going to talk about is how do we recall the memory. Like now, I have just monitored myself and I want to recall like what was the last range. Maybe I have a patient and the patient just left and I want to recall, please, what was the reading I got from him. How do I know? So what you just do, this device has a feature of memory, like it has memory. So what you just do, you press this memory button, long press, and it wasn't supposed to be long press though. Just press here and it will just bring the range. That was me. Just recently I was the one that used this device. You can see my BP, you can see my pulse, and the exact time this was taken. The date and time of this device is not set right now, so that's why it is showing first month, which is January 1st, and then it is showing it was 2 o'clock. Sorry, it was 12 o'clock, so that's why.